Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, today we're gonna do a garden tour and also harvesting some shishu and whatever little in the garden need harvest. Alright, so yes guys, let's go. Let me show you a few of my hibiscus tree and what is going on with them at this moment. Beautiful hibiscus. I also have crepe myrtle. So like as you see right here, that's a crepe myrtle right there, pushing some beautiful flowers. Yeah, crepe myrtle. And this one, this is hibiscus. This is so beautiful, right? So beautiful. So this is my little garden right here. I'm starting to plant trees, beautiful trees that produce a lot of flowers. I'm preparing this area. I got to cover up these old brick and throw some dirt on top of it, and then grass gonna grow. All right, these are my hibiscus, big and tall. I get them down in the bushes, transplant them, and here we go. This is hibiscus. Look at all these. Oh man, this gonna be pushing out lots of flowers. Oh yeah, this is another one right here. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we also have another one there, 6, that big one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start from the beginning, and this is my Edo patch, one of my Edo patch. This is a small Edo patch right here, and guys, as you can see, them Edos is getting tall and tall every time I come in this garden. The leaves are amazing, very tasty, but one thing, you got to know how to boil them. You got to boil them for at least 45 minutes, and I'm talking about the young leaf, not the old leaf. Yes guys, this is some shishu. This is a Japanese herb. Japanese love this plant, and if you notice, I'm growing them, and I'm growing them some beautiful plant. I'm gonna harvest some, but I'm gonna do a different video harvesting them. This is just a garden tour I'm giving you guys here. So we have shishu going through here. All this is Edos. Have some squash coming up here. Guys, one thing with squash, if you realize the leaf is getting yellow, just pick off the yellow leaf and leave the vines. They're gonna push back and even start producing beautiful squash for you. So yes guys, this is the garden down there. Yes, so all this is Edos going over here. All right, so here you see so many shishu. Look at them. All this is shishu going down here. And guys, shishu, you could eat shishu as salad. It's a beautiful, have a beautiful poking taste. You could eat them with salad, and you could also make them with tea. But guys, you know you got to do your own research on these plants. Up inside here, we have border coming up inside here. I mean, this shishu is just getting wild, guys. In this little area here, as you see, we have Edos. Up inside there, we have squash, we have cucumber just growing there. Already harvest some, but like I said guys, once you see you harvest and the leaf them getting yellow, just pick the leaf. You see, this is a butternut squash we have here, and this is a cucumber. These yellow leaf, what I do, I just pick off the yellow leaf them and just let the vines regenerate new leaf. I did it and it works. All right. So we have these tomato coming up here as well. In this little area here, I now plant some fresh okra over there, and we have, this is an eggplant, and we have some okra growing up right inside this area here as well. This is okra. All this is okra. We have a nice pepper. You see this pepper tree have a nice pepper there, and it have blossom and it have young pepper. And this is a young bell pepper, but it coming up real nice. In this bed, guys, we have groundnut. This is groundnut that we call peanuts. This is what I'm growing in this bed. I can't wait to taste these peanuts. I've been growing them for the first time, and they're looking pretty healthy. Look at them. They're looking pretty healthy, and they start pushing out flowers. This is an okra tree right here. You see, this okra tree is so powerful. You see that small okra right there? You got to, by tomorrow, the next day, you got to come and get it. If you don't, you're going to lose. That you're going to turn basically to seed. Still have cabbage producing at this time. This is a small, some nice banana pepper there, guys. All these are okra, cucumber, collard greens. We also have pigeon peas growing up here. We have okra growing here. These are some big powerful okra, even over there as well. Down in here we have ginger. All this is ginger we have growing up here. Yes, guys, growing pigeon peas. This is another pigeon peas. This is the next one here.